Good morning, students. Today, let us start our class with the lesson past tense. In our previous class, we have learned about the present tense and the four divisions of present tense. Today, we will learn about past tense and its four divisions. Okay, let us start our class. We use past tense to talk about something that happened in the past. We can divide the past tense into four divisions. First one is simple past tense or past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Let us learn these tenses in detail. First one is simple past tense or past indefinite tense. We use simple past tense to express actions that took place at some time in the past. They do not have any connection with the present. Okay, and we can also use this simple past tense to express some past habit. Let us take examples. I posted the letters yesterday. In this example, the action happened in the past and there is no connection with the present. Okay. This shows that an action took place at some time in the past. Next, one more example. We usually went to the school by bus. Here, it shows the habit. Okay, it expresses some past habit. Usually went to the school by bus. This action happened in the past and this shows a habit. So, we can say we use simple past tense to express an action that took place in the past and also to express some past habit. Okay. The form of simple past tense is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Here, no auxiliary verb, but to change one positive sentence into negative and to interrogative sentence, we must have one auxiliary verb. So, in simple past tense, we use did as the auxiliary verb. And we can use did with all the subject. Okay? Let us take one positive sentence in simple past tense and convert it into negative and interrogative. The same example let us take. I posted the letters yesterday. I is the subject here. Posted is the second form of the verb post. Here in simple past tense we use the second form of the verb. Okay. Then object is coming the letter. Let us convert this sentence into negative. First we will write I. We know that we use did as the auxiliary verb here. Then we can use did. After did, we must use not. For changing one positive sentence into negative, we must use not with the auxiliary verb. So, we can write I did not. Okay. After using did, always use the first form of the verb. What is the first form of the verb posted? Post. I did not post the letters yesterday. Now it is the negative sentence. Okay. Let us convert the same sentence into interrogative. Yes or no question. First, we must use the auxiliary verb. I posted the letters yesterday. We know that posted is the second form of the verb. So, here other auxiliary verbs are not coming. So, we can say this is simple past tense. And in simple past tense, we use did as the auxiliary verb. Okay. For changing one sentence into interrogative, we must use first the auxiliary verb. Okay. Then we can write did. Did I, then subject will come. Post. After using did, always use the first form. Did I post the letters yesterday? Then question mark. Okay. Now it is the interrogative sentence. Means yes or no question. Okay. If there is any question word, why? Why is there? Then we can change this yes or no question into question word question by using why. How? Just you write why in front of the auxiliary verb. Okay. Why did I post the letters yesterday? Okay. If the question word is when, then we can write when did I post the letters? Okay. After that question mark. Yesterday will come as the answer. Let us take one more example. She spoke English fluently. Here we know subject is she, spoke is second form of the verb speak, and English is the object. Then we have to change this one into negative. In simple past tense, we use did as the auxiliary verb to change one sentence into negative and to convert one sentence into interrogative. We can write she did not, then the first form of the verb spoke. What is the first form of the verb? Speak. Then object English fluently. Now this sentence is in negative. Okay. We have to change this positive sentence into interrogative. Then how will we do? Did she speak English fluently? Last question mark. Okay. If the question word we use how, then how will we use? How did she speak English? Then question mark. Fluently will be the answer. Next, let us learn about the second division of past tense, that is past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to express an action which was in progress at some point of time in the past, but whose time limits are not mentioned. Example, they were painting the doors. Here, the process of painting was continuing in the past time. Okay, and there is no time limit mentioned. This type of tense is called past continuous tense. The form of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb plus object. In one sentence, if there is was or were and ing form of the verb, then we can say that is past continuous tense. We use was with I, he, she, it and singular noun, and were we can use with we, you, they and plural nouns. Let us take example. Mohan was reading a letter. In this sentence, Mohan is the subject, was is the auxiliary verb, reading is the ing form of the verb and a letter is the object. Let us convert this sentence into negative. Then Mohan was is the auxiliary verb here, then was not. For changing or converting one positive sentence into negative, we must use not with the auxiliary verb. Then reading a letter. Okay, this is the negative sentence of Mohan was reading a letter. Now let us convert this positive sentence into interrogative. Then we must take was in the beginning. Was Mohan reading a letter? Question mark. Simple past and past continuous are used together to denote an action that took place in the past while another action was in progress. We can use both the tense together, simple past and past continuous. When we can use an action took place in the past while another action was in progress. Progress means continuing. Okay, let us take the example, then you will understand it clearly. Nitin was sleeping when the telephone bell rang. Okay, here two tenses are used. First one, Nitin was sleeping. We know that in past continuous tense we use subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. So here also Nitin was sleeping is past continuous tense. Okay. When the telephone bell rang, here the telephone bell rang. The subject is the telephone bell and rang is the second form of the verb. Okay. So we can say it is simple past. Okay. We use simple past and past continuous together when we have to denote that one action took place in the past while another was continuing. Okay, what was continuing here? Sleeping. That process was continuing here, and what completed there? The action rang. Okay. Next one more sentence. The boys were making a noise when the teacher entered the class. Here also two actions took place. One was continuing and one was completed. Okay, we use past continuous tense for the continuing action and simple past for the action that was completed. Okay, the boys were making a noise. That was the process continuing that time. Okay, that time one action took place. What took place? The teacher entered the class. Okay. For using sentences like these, we can use past continuous tense and simple past together. Okay. Hope you have understood today's class. Let us end this section here, and in our next class we will learn about past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Okay. If you have any doubt, you must watch the previous videos also. Thank you.